So, you just blew that forex account? Right now, you feel like trash, angry, embarrassed, questioning if this is for you. But listen, this is the exact point where most people quit. If you quit now, you'll never know how close you were to success. You messed up. Maybe you over-leveraged. Maybe you got greedy. Maybe you let emotions control your trades. Now your account is gone. But every profitable trader has been here. They blew accounts too. The difference? They learned, adjusted, and came back stronger. That's what you need to do. If you're getting value, subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Tell me, what's the biggest mistake that cost you an account? Let's grow together. Blowing an account can actually be the best thing that happens to you. It forces you to face reality. The market just gave you a painful lesson. You paid tuition to the school of trading. Next time greed whispers, you'll remember this pain. That's how traders evolve. But let's be real. Some of you blew it because you treated trading like gambling, clicking buy and sell with no plan. If that's you, wake up. This isn't luck, it's a skill. Until you respect it, the market will keep punishing you. So stop crying, own your mistake, analyze it, learn. Then get back in smarter, start small. Prove you can manage $100 before dreaming of $10,000. If you can't protect a small account, you'll never protect a big one. Drop a comment. What lesson did blowing your account teach you? Was it greed, impatience, no strategy? Share it. Your story can help someone else. Don't think your dream is over. Money can be replaced, but mindset is priceless. If you walk away, you throw away growth. If you stay, this pain becomes your turning point. Picture yourself 1 year from now. You stuck with it. You studied, respected risk, and built discipline. Now you're profitable. And when you look back, this loss will be the moment that changed everything. Blowing an account is not the end. It's initiation. The market is testing you. Will you rise or will you fold? Stay tuned, because next I'll share the mindset shifts that stop you from ever repeating this mistake. Before we move on, smash that like, subscribe if you haven't, and share this with a trader friend. And comment your lesson learned. We're in this together. Now let's talk about why blowing an account hits so hard. It's not just the money, it's the shame. You start doubting yourself, replaying every trade in your head, wondering why you didn't just stop. That guilt can crush you if you let it. But here's the truth. Guilt won't rebuild your account. Discipline will, reflection will. The sooner you shift from beating yourself up to learning, the sooner you'll rise again. Winners don't wallow, they adapt. Think about it like this. If you touch fire as a kid, you learn quickly never to touch it again. That pain shaped your behavior. Trading is the same. The burn of blowing your account can teach you more than any YouTube strategy ever could, if you let it. So let's get practical. Why do most traders blow accounts? Number 1, over-leverage. You see a setup, you get greedy, and you load half your account into one trade. That's not confidence. That's suicide. Respect risk. Risking 2% feels slow, but that's how accounts survive the storm. Number 2, chasing losses. You take a hit, and instead of stepping back, you double up, desperate to make it back. That's not trading. That's emotional gambling. The market doesn't care about your feelings. If you chase, you'll bleed out. Number 3, no plan. You're trading blind. Buying because the candle looks big, selling because you felt like it. That's chaos. A real trader knows exactly why they're in a trade, what will make them exit, and how much they're risking. No plan? No chance. And here's another brutal truth. Sometimes the problem isn't your strategy, it's you, your patience, your discipline, your ability to sit on your hands and wait for the right setup. Most traders fail not because their system is broken, but because they are. So if you blew your account, ask yourself, was it the market's fault or was it yours? 99% of the time, it's you. Accept that, and you'll finally start to grow. And growth starts small. Stop dreaming of flipping $50 to $5,000 overnight. That fantasy kills more traders than bad entries. Build slow. Compounding looks boring at first, but one day you'll wake up and realize you've built something real, something lasting. Remember, blowing an account is not failure. Failure is refusing to learn. The account may be gone, but the lesson stays. The next time you risk too much, that memory of losing everything will echo in your mind. Use it. Let it anchor you to discipline. Right now, you're standing at a crossroads. One path is denial, excuses, and quitting. The other is responsibility, humility, and growth. Only one leads to consistency. Only one leads to freedom. The choice is yours. Let's dig deeper into the mindset side. Because at the end of the day, trading is not just about charts and indicators. It's about psychology. If your mind isn't disciplined, no system will save you. That's why two traders can use the exact same strategy, but one makes money and the other blows up. The difference is discipline. Ask yourself this: when you enter a trade, are you hoping or are you executing? Hope is dangerous. Hope makes you move your stop loss. Hope makes you hold losers and cut winners. Execution is different. Execution is cold, logical, unshaken. Execution doesn't care about feelings, only rules. Another reason traders blow accounts is impatience. You want results today. You don't want to wait for the perfect setup, so you jump into trades that don't fit your rules. That impatience builds bad habits, and those habits destroy accounts. Patience is a weapon. Most traders never master it. Then there's revenge trading. You lose, you get angry, and you want to show the market who's boss. But the market doesn't even know you exist. It's not personal. It's not attacking you. And yet you fight back, throwing money into a black hole. That's how traders self-destruct. Here's the harsh truth. You don't need more indicators. You don't need a secret signal. You need control. You need to train yourself to sit, to wait, and to act only when everything lines up. That's the edge professionals have. Discipline is the ultimate indicator. Now imagine this. You've just blown an account, but instead of quitting, you do something different. You write down every mistake. You track your trades. You study your emotions. You treat trading like a business, not a game. Over time, that process rewires your brain. Suddenly, you're not gambling anymore. You're executing. That shift alone can save your next account. And let's talk about risk, because most traders don't really understand it. Risk isn't about avoiding losses. Losses are guaranteed. Risk is about survival. It's about making sure no single trade can take you out of the game. If you risk small, you live to fight another day. If you risk big, eventually the market will catch you slipping. And it only takes one bad trade to wipe you out. Consistency in small wins beats chasing jackpots. Every time. You want proof? Look at the traders who last 10, 20 years. They aren't swinging for home runs every day. They're stacking base hits. And over time, those base hits turn into financial freedom. So blowing your account is painful, but it's also a mirror. It reflects who you really are as a trader. Were you greedy? Were you impatient? Were you disciplined? That account tells the truth. You can lie to yourself, but the equity curve doesn't lie. And maybe that's the real gift in all this. The market is honest, brutally honest. It doesn't care about your ego, your dreams, or your excuses. It only reflects your behavior. If you're disciplined, it rewards you. If you're reckless, it punishes you. Simple as that. So instead of seeing this blown account as a death sentence, see it as feedback. See it as the market telling you exactly what needs to change. You can either listen to that feedback and grow, or ignore it and repeat the same cycle again and again. The choice is yours. So here we are. You blew your account. It hurts. It stings. It feels like the end of the world. But listen closely. It's not the end. It's a beginning. Every trader you admire has been exactly where you are right now. The difference between them and the ones who quit is simple. They kept going. They took the pain and turned it into discipline. They studied their mistakes instead of running from them. They respected risk, they respected the market, and slowly they built themselves into traders who could survive and thrive. That same road is open to you. So don't waste this moment. Don't waste the lesson. The money you lost isn't gone if it bought you wisdom. And if you truly learn, the returns you'll create in the future will make this setback look small. The account may be gone, but your dream is not. You can still make it. Now, if this message hits you, take action. Subscribe for more tough love and real talk about trading. Like this video to spread the message. And most importantly, drop a comment. Share your story, your pain, your lessons, because you never know who might need to read your experience and find the strength to keep going. Trading is not easy. It will test you, break you, humble you. But if you refuse to quit, if you keep learning, if you keep showing up, you will get better. You will grow. And one day you'll look back at this blown account and realize it wasn't your downfall. It was your turning point. Always remember this. You are just one pip away from greatness.